Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to collect daily sweeps coins on Golden Hearts games, and how to get even more by writing letters and completing offers. This is free money, people. You have nothing to lose, only money to gain. If you've always wanted to try the letter writing side hustle, but you just don't want to pay for a course right now, then I encourage you to continue watching this, because I am going to show you step by step how to write letters to Golden Hearts games. Just a side note, you can only participate in this if you live in the United States, excluding Idaho, Michigan, Montana, Nevada, and Washington, as of April 2025. If you're watching this in the future, they may or may not have added more states to that list. Anyway, let's dive in. All right, so I am in here in goldenheartsgames.com, and I'm just going to collect my daily bonus today. So it's a wheel that you spin. And we'll see what I get today. Ooh, 50 cents in sweeps coins. You see, so it could be 10. I've gotten 10 cents many times, 15 cents many times. There's 20 cents. I actually got, where is it? I think I got $2 one day, and then the day after I got $5. I was like, whoa, that's great. That's so exciting. But most of the time it's like 10 cents, 15, 20 cents, you know. Today, 50 cents, that's actually good. Okay, so that's how you get your daily sweeps coins. Now I'm going to show you how to write to Golden Hearts games so that for every letter that you send, they will send you $6 in sweeps coins. And so you're going to go up here where the 3 lines are in the top right-hand corner. Click on that, go to Help Center, and then you're going to click on Gold and Sweeps Coins. Go down here to Alternative Method of Entry, click on that. And click on the first question, any, doesn't matter. So then it comes up like this. So I want to go here first. I'm going to take you to here where what you write, and it's let me just see if this is the one. No, okay, I think it's the next one. Okay, what name do I need on the index card? Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. It's a 3x5 inch index card. Has to be blank. You are going to put an 11-digit code here, and I will show you how to find that 11-digit code. But when you get it, you put it right here. You put your first and last name. So even if your ID, like my ID, has 4 names because I have 2 middle names, just do the first and last name. Your email address, the one that you used when you signed up for Golden Hearts games, and then your address. And you want to put it on one line. I have kind of a long address, so I find it actually kind of a bit of a challenge to get it all on one line. So they do have a help where you can chat right here in the bottom right. They're very responsive. I went there and I just asked them, can I put my address on 2 lines? And they said, yes, you can, but if it's on one line, the machine will read it, and if it's on 2 lines, then they've got to do a manual check, so it might delay things. So I'm like, okay, I just have to make sure I try to get it all in one line. So, and then you just write Golden Hearts games, and that's it. It's so simple, way easier than most other casinos that get you to write two long sentences. Well, not long, like average sentences, but anyway, this is super short and so easy. And then for the envelope, and you know, go here and just look at all of these, you know, look at all the answers to all of these questions here, just to make sure you know. And if you have any questions, go here and they will answer your questions for you. So they're very helpful. Now for the envelope, to address the envelope, I think it's, is it this one? Let me just see, how do I get, yes, here it is. So on the envelope, it has to be, everything has to be handwritten, by the way. And also, I did go to the help center asking about the color of ink because they didn't specify. Some casinos are very specific about that. And blue or black ink is fine, so either one is fine. It must be handwritten. It must be a number 9 or number 10 envelope. And this is the address. When you, just to be sure, just when you write the address, even, it's got a dot after ink here, put the dot. Attention is the shortened version, the abbreviation. So do the abbreviation with the colon. Don't write out the word attention. Do it exactly as it is written here, comma after Manchester, NH, and the zip. So when you do the return address on the envelope in the top left-hand corner of the envelope, just include your first and last name and your address. Oh, also, I naturally write in all caps, so I went here again. I asked in the chat, is all caps okay? Because like I said, casinos are very specific and very picky about everything. And they said all caps is okay. So if you're an all caps writer like me, all caps is okay. So with this casino, you are allowed to get one 11-digit code every 24 hours. Other casinos are like you get one every 5 minutes. But with this one, you can only send one a day. So once you start getting your sweeps coins, which takes 10 business days, you will receive $6 in sweeps coins every day, for every letter that you send. So, and it goes to your email, and you'll see it. So I'm going to show you how to get the code that you have to put on your letter. So you go to the 3 lines in the top right hand corner, go to earn free coins, right? Yeah, and then request sweeps coins by mail. So click on learn more, and then you'll go down here, need a postal request code? Yes. So then you just click on this, and then just say, I'm not a robot. And then when you get your code by email, then you would come back in here, and this is how to redeem it. So you redeem, and they'll give you some 12-digit code via email that you would enter in there. So that's how you get your sweeps coins once you start getting them after 10 business days. Now I'm going to go back here to lobby, and maybe I go back to here. Take advantage. Oh yes. Okay. This is pretty amazing. Take advantage of special offers from our partner RevU Plus. So click on Learn More, and this is another way to earn more sweeps coins. So you see here, sign up for Chime today, and you'll get $238.80 in sweeps coins. This is crazy. I haven't taken advantage of any of these, but look at this. Look at this. Like, Experian, credit, you get 11, install Raid Shadow Legends and get 240. This is crazy. Earn multiple rewards for free cash. What else is there? Look at this one, Home Chef. I saw this earlier. Get 50% off on your first 4 orders with Home Chef, plus you get 70.42 in sweeps coins. What else? ARP, Rakuten. If you're not signed up with do it. It's only 32 cents in sweeps coins. But look, yeah, and I was looking at this earlier, and I saw like Walmart and Amazon, but look at all these sweeps coins that you can earn from just signing up with these organizations. Or Spree is another casino. So purchase $10 plus and wager $10 plus at Spree, and then Golden Hearts Games will give you $20.70 in sweeps coins. Seems like a good idea. And yeah, you can go look at them. There's so many. When you sign up also at the beginning, you get all kinds of extra welcome sweeps coins. And I used a website called slotcatalog.com, and I found I did a whole video on this, so I'll link the video so you can see how to use slotcatalog.com. But anyway, I used this site to find this game, which is low volatility. And when I first signed up with Golden Hearts Games, I got all kinds of, I took advantage of their offers. You also get, great deals. I don't remember what it was. It was probably like 50% off or maybe even more for Sweeps coins. So I took advantage of that and definitely turned into me converting those coins into real cash using this game here, Cosmo Mix. It worked out really well. I don't remember how much it was I had in Sweeps coins and what it converted at, but it converted well. Like it was probably around 100% or something like that. So this is a really great, I would highly recommend this game. Like I said, it's low volatility, and that's the kinds of games that you want to play are the low volatility games, because there are more frequent wins. Even though they're smaller wins, they're more frequent, and it's usually, you convert it in the 90s to 100% and even more than 100%. So whatever Sweeps coins you have, you want to convert as many as possible into real cash. So I highly recommend this game, Cosmo Mix. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tips. Don't forget to check the description for more links, because I have included the letter writing course in there where you can write to more online casinos, and it'll show you exactly how to do it. And I have also included a link to Golden Hearts Games and other casinos too that you might be interested in checking out and logging in daily, collecting their daily Sweeps coins. Can't hurt. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one.